Hey everybody, and this is Papa Mo's stuff here, all right? I want to showcase this one particular product to unbox, and this video is sponsored by a company called Bularie. That's B-U-L-A-I-R-E, and they carry a whole bunch of products for the home accessories, wedding accessories, and even lawnmower accessories. Now, they reached out to me to do this unboxing of this particular product for my John Deere X320 tractor because probably at some point, if not this year, but next year, I will be needing these to replace some stuff that I want to get to. And I want to show you what's in here. I was very impressed with this product. These are spindles, okay, and pulleys, and really, really quality made unit. And very heavy duty. I want to show them to you. Got a beautiful bearing in the center here. Okay, beautiful bearing. And they're riveted together, the two halves of the pulley. All right. And honestly, they spin. They spin so freely. It's just so soft and smooth, that spin. It's going to make a world of difference on the John Deere tractor. They sent me a set of two. So shout out to Bularie, thank you for sending those out. I think the person that contacted me, their name was Lucky, and I was lucky to get these. So there's the second one. And they're not just spinning, they're really gliding on that bearing. They're so smooth. So when this is bolted into place, those belts on that tractor are going to be so smooth, and there'll be no resistance on them. The ones I have on my tractor now, original to the tractor, so I know they're over 10 years old. So these are going to make a world of difference, and there's two of them, and you can hear very solid. So thanks to Bularie for sending those out, and I hope to have a follow-up video at some point. I don't know if it'll be this year, but if not, the beginning of next season, to get those installed and running on the John Deere X320. So check them out, and I don't think you can go wrong picking up a pair of those. Thank you.